Welcome to CharmHealth, your medical records management and practice management application on the cloud. In this video, we will go over how to configure and use Quick Text. Quick Text in CharmHealth allows you to speed up documentation by creating shortcuts for phrases and sentences that you use regularly. To configure Quick Text, go to Settings, then Quick Text. Click on Add Quick Text. Add keywords and their corresponding descriptions. For example, create a keyword TD with the description, "Take 1 tablet by mouth daily." Then click Add. You can also edit or delete Quick Text from here. To use one of the configured Quick Texts, type in a full stop followed by a few characters of the keyword. Once the matching keyword pops up in the auto-suggestion list, press the space, tab, or enter keys on your keyboard to replace the keyword with the description. Quick Text can be used in all of the sections of chart notes, prescriptions, lab orders, images, injections, messages, and etc. Thank you for watching this video. For any help, write an email to support@charmhealth.com. Follow us on our social media for the latest updates.